In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your lunch status in Slack, a handy way to let your colleagues know when you're taking a break. Slack is a popular communication tool used by teams around the world, and knowing how to effectively use its status feature can help you manage expectations and stay connected, even when you step away. First, let's head over to Slack. If you're already signed in, you're one step ahead. If not, you'll need to enter your email address to sign in. You can also conveniently use your Google or Apple account if that's easier for you. This flexibility is one of Slack's user-friendly features, making it simple to access your workspace however you prefer. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your workspaces. Navigate to your preferred workspace by clicking on it. This step is important since Slack allows you to be part of multiple workspaces, and you'll want to set your status in the correct one. Next, look for your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the Slack window. It could be a photograph if you've uploaded one, or your initials if you haven't. Click on this icon to reveal more options related to your account. After clicking your profile icon, you'll notice an option labeled Update Your Status. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up the Status menu, which is your gateway to letting your team know what you're up to. You'll see several preset options such as in a meeting, commuting, out sick, vacationing, and working remotely. For setting a lunch status, we want a more customized approach. Write lunch in the text field provided. This is your chance to personalize your status with an emoji as well. Type in lunch in the emoji search bar and choose an emoji that best represents your lunch break. Maybe something fun like a sandwich or a coffee cup. Now, let's talk about the duration. You have the option to select how long you'd like this status to show. You could choose options such as 30 minutes, an hour, or until the end of the day. Tailor the time frame to the length of your lunch break. Furthermore, Slack gives you the ability to pause notifications during this period. If you'd like some uninterrupted break time, consider enabling this feature. Once you've set your desired status and preferences, don't forget to click Save. This final step ensures that your status is visible to your team, signaling that you're away for lunch. And that's it. Setting your lunch status in Slack is a straightforward process that enhances communication while respecting your need for a break. Keeping your colleagues informed of your availability helps maintain a transparent and efficient work environment. Happy lunching!